Now you have to find other member forces, and I use the joint, that is M, that I have told to you that always use the member that has joint that has two unknown. So there are two unknown, that is CD and ED. Okay, so I draw the joint as I had drawn joint A, and this is 15 kilonewton upward force, that is we have find it the reaction, that is dy, and this is force ED, and I have told to you that always use the direction away from the joint. Okay, this is your assumption. Okay, so always start from the summation of all the Fy equal to 0. Okay, so 15 kilonewton positive because this is acting in upward direction. Okay, and the second force of FCD, neglect this FED because this is acting in a horizontal direction. Okay, so FCD is the contribution of FCD is sine theta. Okay, this is sine 60 equal to 0. Okay, now just use a simple trigonometry or simple equation. Minus 15. Okay, FCD equal to minus 15 divided by sine 60. So using this calculator I find the value equal to 17.32 kilonewton. So this is minus. Okay, now summation of all the Fx is equal to 0. Okay, now see that FCD is acting on a left side, so this is minus. Okay, so minus FED minus, because the contribution of FCD also goes in on left hand side. Okay, so this is, you can say that this FCD over cos 60 equal to 0. Now just put the values. FED minus FCD equal to minus 17.32. Okay, just focus on signs. Okay, don't do a sign mistake. Minus FED, okay, minus minus plus 17.32 over cos 60. Okay, I just use the calculator. 17.33 multiplied by cos 60, and this is equal to 8.67 minus FED plus 8.67 equal to 0. So this equal to 8.67 kilonewton positive. Okay, now see how you draw your directions. Okay, this is 15 kilonewton and this is your. Now see that FED is positive. It means that the direction we have used here, or the direction we have assumed, is same. Okay, so this is in this direction. Okay, in this direction 8.67 FED. Okay, and the FCD equal minus means that the direction we have assumed is not same but opposite. So this is minus 17.32 kilonewton. Okay, so this is our joint D. Okay, now see that we have find this value, we have finded this values, we have finded this values, and we have finded these values. Okay, now if you want to use this joint E, okay, so you can use. Okay, because there is only two unknowns, that is C, E and BE. Okay, you can also use joint B. Through joint B you can see that there is only two member forces that is unknown, B, C or CE. Okay, the same way is you can use joint B, C. Okay, now this is up to you. So I start from joint E. Okay, now see that. Now pay attention to this joint, because this is a little bit difficult as compared to previous one. Okay, now as I have told to you that always use the direction that is away from the joint. Okay, that is F E D, F E A. Okay, I draw a arbitrary uh, quadrant. Okay, now see that this is F E C, and this is your F E B. Okay, now see that what is this angle. This is also equal to 60, because this is your equilateral triangle. Okay, if this is 60, this should be equal to 60, and this should be equal to 60. Okay, so this is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. Now put the values. Okay, use the signs that you have find it. Okay, so what are the few values? I see again that what is the value of FCD and what is the value of FEA.